Hi guys, welcome back to Nettie's amazing house. How are you guys doing? Me, I'm just here thinking how great it could be and how great it's gonna be, I should say. Anyways, today I am making, guess what I'm making, guys? Sugar bun. Whoever your sugar bun. First I'll break 3 eggs. I already had 1 in there, so that's 1, 2, and now 3 eggs. 1 cup warm coconut milk. You can use regular milk if you'd like, but I'm using coconut milk. 1/3 cup sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. Let me turn this off so you can hear. I had 2 teaspoon yeast to 3 cups of flour. Okay, I'm greasing my, this is what I'm gonna leave it to rest for an hour, or maybe until tomorrow. See, very soft. Just add some butter on the top. I'm gonna rest this dough for an hour, or maybe even overnight, because I love when my dough is rest for overnight. Hey guys, welcome back. Yep, it's the next day. Here is my dough. I put it in the fridge for overnight. See? Fully greased. So how are you guys doing? Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me hear how you guys doing. I'm gonna turn out my dough. Punch down that bad boy. I could have used melted butter, but I'll use. And this is the sugar. See these sugar, the grains? baked grains. I don't remember what it's called. Oh gosh, I have to look it up and let you guys know the name of this sugar. But I bought this sugar from the bulk store. Good. Nice. Now I think I need 9 pieces, so in order to get 9 pieces I'll cut it in 3. Yes, 1 1. Yeah. I don't really like using this. Let me use this. Now I'm gonna press this dough down. Flatten this dough a bit. After flattening my dough, now I'll brush with some egg wash. And some more sugar. So this is my sugar bun after 1 hour. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven. Here it is. I'll bake this for 25 minutes at 350. So here is my sugar bun. Now I'm going to brush my sugar bun with some melted butter. Delicious, mouth-watering. So this is the one that I'm going for. Look at this. Soft, delicious sugar bun. Can hear the sugar in my mouth. So, from my amazing house to yours, one love. Nice. Really, 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 really